Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this Heartland Torque 2020 model. It's a 373 fifth wheel toy hauler. It's got a garage in the back. It's got really great features. Lots of storage on the outside. It does have a cool little party area I want to show you. Front pass-through bay, lots of storage, outdoor speakers. Nice solid step going in there. Let's take a look at this. So you're entertaining or hanging out outside. You got your mini fridge, a little cooktop right here that comes out, and then you got your TV out here. So you kind of hang out with the gang, watch a game, barbecue, whatever you want. This unit does have the leveling system on it, which is pretty awesome. Push button leveling, rear entry door to get in, LED lights throughout, lots of really cool features. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. You can kind of see these cool bar stools as you walk in. Pretty neat, kind of fold up, that way you can sit there and eat and entertain. Let's kind of go to the back and we'll take a look. Back here you're going to have stairs to the ramp. The ramp door actually goes up and makes a patio outside and has a railing system with it, which is really neat. That we have an entertaining area. You have a spot the dogs or the kids can't get out of. It's awesome. And you have a nice big garage here. Cool thing about this, guys, it has a rear bath. A little half bath back here. I want to show you what this door does. Folds down, folds out, opens, and it pins back a little farther here and pins back here so that way you can actually have a little more garage space. Excuse me. They designed that so that you can get like a four-seater side-by-side and some of your larger toy hauler toys in here. Upper loft with a ladder access it, awesome. Two beds right here, couches that come down back in the back, typical toy hauler fashion. Larger fridge. Larger kitchen area, lots of countertops, solid surface, real nice. Chairs. This guy has a cool slide out I want to show you in the bedroom. It's a double slide, a slide within a slide to give you more room up here in the bedroom as far as your bed. Come up the stairs and walk by the bathroom real quick. It's got a Jack and Jill bathroom. I can enter through this side as well, the bedroom. You got your bathroom. So when you make your way into this bedroom, I'll close this door behind you real fast. So I want to show you this bedroom. Lots of real estate. There is tons of room right here. There's a dresser. This slide is a double slide. It slides out and then slides out. So you have a lot of floor space. You also have a lot of closet space up here too, which is kind of a game changer in this kind of model. Lots of closet. You have washer dryer hookups on this side as well. So you can put a closet stackable washer and dryer inside there if you like. So let's see. Anything else here at Guaranty? Like I say, my name is Kirk Blair. I'm happy to help you. You can go by Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to meeting you here at Guaranty RV in Junction City.